in the flow, don't you know Bobby Joe? Listen up, sister, pull up on the trigger, dance.
So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I got you this Logitech Z120 stereo speaker. It is really small, but they say have a really loud voice. Okay, so it's compatible for PC, laptop, iPad and phone. Yes, this is the #1 selling PC speaker brand, Logitech. Yeah, on the side of the box there's some sample on how to use it with your laptop. At the back, well, this is a USB powered device. It has a 3.5mm audio input. It has a cable management part. Yeah, it is high quality, which can be used for acoustic music. Okay, in this side there's some technical specification. Yeah, and what's inside the box, there's the speakers and the information. There's a 2-year limited warranty. Okay, without further ado, let's have it open. Here are my unboxing knife. Yeah, long time not use this. Yeah, this is the protective seal. Yeah, let's put this aside and crack it open. Yeah, here on the left there's a picture of what's included inside the box, and here's how to use it. So inside there's this paperwork, the phone number of the service center, and safety information. Okay, this is what's included inside the box. Yeah, okay, let's take it. Well, it's really good presented. It is presented in this bubble wrap to keep it safe. Okay, let's open all the bubble wraps and put these aside. Yeah, it is USB powered and use 3.5mm audio jack. Okay, let's test the sound. Okay, now let's compare it with the Sony Xperia Z1 speaker. Yeah, okay, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And yo, peace out.